I finished my lantern and a few things, and I wanted to show and I wanted to share them with you. So I finished the lantern that I was working on. It's actually made for my front porch, but right now, well, it's warm today, but it's really windy. My front porch has not been cleaned up. My flowers haven't been planted. We've had cold weather, and I think we might be coming out of it. So I'll get out there and clean up my porch so I can put that out on my end table there. But I wanted to share it with you. I had it, I believe, in the video. I had a thrift haul and a craft share, and I shared where I was making it, and it was put together, but it was just sitting there. It was black. So since then I painted it with Waverly chalk paint in mineral, and I distressed it some. You can see some of the black coming through. And then I did a whitewash on it. And the little basket that I have in there, I have lights in there on a timer that come on at a certain time and go off at a certain time. And the little basket was in that thrift haul, and it was a natural colored basket, and I painted it white and put some Dollar Tree greenery in it. And then I was also working on some risers, and I finished this one, and I'm using it here. And then the little drawer here, I do have a video on that. I'll link that below. That was a very modern looking drawer. It was kind of a very dark walnut with a bright chrome knob on it, and I did a makeover on it and gave it the farmhouse look. And that's a few of the things that I've been working on, and I wanted to share them with you, and I hope you like it. And if you want to see the video on the thrift haul I done or the drawer, I'll have those linked down below. Okay, this is going to be at the very end of the video. As you know, I kept looking at the lantern, and I thought, it needs something. It just doesn't look right. The top just didn't look right to me. Of course, this is the first one I've made. But anyways, I went in my stash and I found a knob. So I painted the knob, and I drilled a hole, and I stuck like a screw stick up inside here and drilled a hole down into that, and I've glued it down with E6000, and I think that looks better. Anyways, I wanted to add it onto the video since I hadn't posted it and let you see what I've done, and I think it looks better. So until the next one, we'll see y'all later.